Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Isuru.
What's your full name?
My full name is Isuru Anwathettiarachi.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Dodangas, London.
Are you sitting or standing?
I am studying.
Go there. Sit down. Are you sitting or standing?
I am sitting.
Stand up. Come here. Sleep. Okay, stop. Run. Okay, stop. Jump. Okay, stop. Clap. Okay, stop. Walk. Okay, stop. Okay, very good. Thank you, Isuru.
You are welcome.
Okay.